Shalom, family. It's Hasidai Yasharel with Servants of Yah. And I'm here for another episode of the inspirational word of the day. And family, our inspirational word of the day is coming from Romans 12:2. And it reads, And be not conformed of this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is good and acceptable and a perfect will of Yah Elohim. And family, I just want to take a moment to give you some more inspirational reflection of this word of inspiration. And I just want to remind you all to not allow the world to define you of who you are, especially when Yah has already declared who you are. Every day is an opportunity to renew your mind through his word, his wisdom, and his truth. The world promotes fear, confusion, compromise, and self-reliance. But Yah calls his people to walk in faith, righteousness, obedience, and trust. Transformation begins from within. When your thoughts are aligned with the will of Yah, your actions, decisions, and character will begin to reflect his light. So no matter what your challenges you face, remember that Yah is shaping you and refining you and preparing you for his purpose and for his esteem. The renewing of your mind is not a one-time thing either. So this renewing of the mind is a daily commitment to seek his truth above the opinions of this world. So family, I leave with you to stay focused in Yah's promises. Choose faith over fear, choose truth over lies, and choose obedience over compromise. As you continue to grow in wisdom and understanding, you will clearly see the good, acceptable, and perfect will of Yah Elohim unfolding in your life. And family, as I leave you today, I also want you to seek encouragement in knowing that do not let this world change your thinking at all. Do not let this world change your thinking. Instead, let the word of Yah and Yah transform your thinking. Let Yah wash you completely. Let him cleanse you. Let him cleanse your thoughts. Let him cleanse your heart. Let him cleanse your speech, everything about you. Don't let the world change your thinking or change your thoughts or actions, but let Yah and his word cleanse and transform you, your thoughts, your actions, and your deeds. And when you have this mind of renewal by his truth, your life becomes a testimony of his power, purpose, and his grace. And family, if you find the words of this word of inspiration edifying to you, we would like you to please share this word of edification, this word of inspiration out to those that you may know. And as Akmeliki or Ahab would say, when you're sharing the message, this is more important even than liking and subscribing to our channel, because you're sharing and you're providing witnesses to Yah, places where we're not able to reach. This internet has given us a whole new realm of accessibility to reach more souls. And we actually appreciate that you are watching our videos, but we are even more grateful if you're sharing the content of our videos, because this allows us to be a far-reaching and continuous witness to other people around the world. And family, but if you do wish to share, like, and subscribe, we would also like for you to comment below, provide how this word of inspiration may have encouraged you to persevere, to pursue, to continue to go forward, to be transformed in a new way, to daily commit to Yah Elohim. And as always, we thank you, family, for taking the day and time of your valuable time to just step in for a moment to listen to the words of inspiration today. All praises to the Most High Yah. We are so humbly grateful for our subscribers. And we just thank and praise Yah Elohim for everything that he is doing on this channel, doing around the world, and doing with his remnant and his Gentiles that he's awakening. We look forward to the promises that have yet to be fulfilled. And we're so humbly grateful for everything that Yah is doing in this day and at these end times. And as I leave you for this moment, family, I want to say, keep looking up, for your redemption draws nigh. Praise Yah in all things, good and bad. And shalom.